Hello everyone. I've came up with a new story to narrate. The story name is The Fox and the Grapes. The story name is The Fox and the Grapes. The Fox and the Grapes. Okay. Now see here. So what is this? Who is a fox? See. This is a fox. See, this is a fox. Right? This is a fox. Now this is a fox and this is a grapes. So the fox and the grapes story is all about. Now shall we start the story to narrate, children? See. So what happened one day? This fox. Okay, one day a fox saw a bunch of grapes. So he saw what he saw? A bunch of grapes hanging from a plant. So this is a plant. It's hanging from a plant. A bunch of grapes he saw. So what he did? He was ready to eat. So he wanted that grapes. He wanted to eat. He wanted to eat that grapes. So what he did? If we want something, we will try to implement it or we will try to execute it, achieve it, right? So the fox, what he did? He also went there and he jumped a lot to get the grapes to its mouth. But it was unable to get. So the fox, what happened? So the fox, but he tried a lot to get the grapes. This is the grapes. He tried a lot to get the grapes, but he was unable to get the grapes. So what happened finally? He said, the grapes is sour, and he walked away like anything. As he was unable to get the grapes, these are the grapes, okay? He was unable to get the grapes. So finally what he said? That grapes is not good. That's why he didn't get the grapes. Okay? So now we will start the story. We will narrate one by one. The story, The Fox and the Grapes. The story name is The Fox and the Grapes. The Fox and the Grapes. Now see here. The fox. The fox. Fox. And. The. Gr. This is a tricky word. Grapes. That is grapes. See. So what happened? A fox is there here. One day, what happened? One day, a fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a plant. One day, what he saw? He saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a plant. He wanted to eat that grapes. So he went here. He wanted. So what he wanted? He thought in a mind. He wanted to eat the grapes, entire grape. He was thinking in mind. I will go and get the grapes from the plant and I will have it. He wanted to eat the grapes. So for that he tried a lot. He tried first. He saw that he was jumping here. It was a sunny day. He was jumping here. So he jumped and jumped again. So finally what happened? Fourth is, but he did not get the grapes. But he did not get the grapes. That is, but he wanted these grapes, but he did not get the grapes. Then what happened here? In this tree, the grapes are there hanging. He said the grapes are sour and he straight away walked. He said the grapes are sour and walked away. So he had given up without giving his 100% effort. So the moral, in every story there will be a moral or a lesson behind every story. What we have learned from this story. So what is story, children? Story is nothing but a lesson plan. A lesson from which we are learning some good things, some bad things we are knowing. Okay. So see, if it's a bad thing, we will get to know this is a bad thing and we should improve it, like the fox did. The fox wanted the grapes. He saw the grapes hanging from a plant. So what he did? He wanted that to eat. He tried to jump and get the grapes. But finally what happened? He was unable to get the grapes. So he should again try rather than to give up. So he straight away said, no, it's not possible for him to get the grapes. That's why he straight away walked away and said the grapes are sour. So the moral behind this story is the fox has given up easily. We should never give up. Always give our 100% effort. Okay, this is the story. This is the moral of the story behind the fox and grapes story. Okay, we'll revise once again. See, the fox and the grapes. The fox and the grapes. Now see here. One day a fox saw a bunch of grapes hanging from a plant. He wanted to eat the grapes. He wanted to eat the grapes. So what happened? So he jumped and jumped again. He jumped and jumped again. But he did not get the grapes. But he did not get these grapes. Did he get? No. But he did not get the grapes. He said, what he said? He said, the grapes are sour, and walked away. So the moral of the story is we should never give up. Never give up. Always give our 100% effort. Okay. Always give our best. Always give our 100% effort. So this story is about a fox, the fox and the grapes. I hope children you are able to understand, link and narrate and like this story. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please click on the like. Thank you.